Basic remote controller training. Let's get to know what each button does. Control sticks. The throttle controls propeller speed. Yaw controls the horizontal rotation of the aircraft's nose. Pitch controls the upward and downward movement of the aircraft's nose. Roll controls the leftward or rightward rotation of the aircraft along its center line. Arm button. The start-stop button turns the motors on and off. Double-press the start-stop button to stop the motors. Gimbal dial. The gimbal dial controls camera tilt. Rotate the gimbal dial to the right to make the gimbal face upward. Flight mode switch. The aircraft has 3 flight modes: normal, manual, and sport.